I get it. You gave your Dubsado forms these easy to find names, and now every time you go to send that form out to a client, the button text for that form is a mile long. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change and edit that button text in a flash before you hit send on that email to your client. So stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, so first things first, when you log into Dubsado and you get to your client's project screen here, you want to go to the forms or emails area, whichever way you send your forms. I like to come to the forms tab, and then I click the drop down and choose a form. As you can see here, some of your form titles or the names of your forms can kind of be pretty lengthy. So if I were to say choose my Dubsado form branding questionnaire here, and I go ahead and I add that, I'll give that a second to load, and I add that here, I can click send from here to just pull up an email, or you can click send right here from the forms area. Once you click send, a area here to the right for you to actually send this form out to your client will populate, and you see how long that button is. It's like, oh my gosh, that's so long. How do I fix that so that it's not too much? Because usually when you send a client an email with that form, you're detailing and you're giving them details of what that form is going to be used for and what they're about to fill out. So if you just give it a click, if you just click anywhere on the text in that button and you hit the middle icon that says edit link, you will be able to change the text to whatever you want. So I can put complete questionnaire here, or view questionnaire here. All right, and once I hit that button, everything's good to go. Or you can click right in front of the text, select it, and then write in what you want, and it automatically will change and update the text here. It does not mess up the integrity of your button, nor does it mess up the link, as long as you make sure that you edit the link itself. Just make sure that you do not unlink the link for your button so that it works properly, and then once you hit send, you're good to go. Well, that's it. That's how you edit and change a form button text in Dubsado emails before hitting send. If you want to know more about Dubsado tutorials and productivity apps, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right now so that you're the first to know the second a video goes live. If you need help with your Dubsado forms or your Dubsado workflows, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at crystalclarkcreative.com. See you next time. Bye.